Kaseng Kongres kebadan hakaliang Persya hine kesengi Ngi Dawa ke Jingthung Tohkit ke balai luit halor ke Jingthung Shispa arpu prateli ki Kam Skill Multitasking Assistant Meecl dia ke Jingpen Kenya ke bahak kerpang hakaliang ketungkam tungjam dan ke Job Reservation Policy. Habai Grand Bakinang Thok Khobor unang pathai kitien Kaseng Kongres Zenith sangma ulang malada ke sorkar kan IT ya kan ke Jingthung Tohkit hak CBI kan kam bahasyu syu. Ulai thuru bekibriu ya ki bala thung hakini ki hispa aru pratri ki kam ki balaj ki dei tang ki khasi. Ulo ong ru bakam shim dan ru ka jingpen bana halor kini ki kam ki balaj.
Friends, there are a lot of things, lots of anomalies, lots of irregularities under this Meecl. I don't know who is the minister in charge. See, in the recent time, in the month of June and July, 128 employees were appointed without any advertisements. Have the copy. 128 in the name of skilled multitasking assistants without any advertisements. And that too, supposing these are the forgot employee who have to look after the affairs of distribution of power supply across the state. But these people who have been appointed were recruited from the Shillong city only and its periphery areas. Very amazing. Never before it was done like that. And that too only from one category. By defeating the very spirit of the job reservation policy. Only one category. All 128 who were appointed were from RiKhasi category. So it is very, very injustice. So I want these irregularities and anomalies to be investigated immediately, and the people, whoever it is, who is responsible to be guilty should be booked under the relevant section of the law of the land.